Looking for precision and control in your mechanical work? A reliable torque wrench is essential for tightening bolts to exact specifications, preventing damage and ensuring safety. Whether you're working on cars, bikes, or machinery, we've rounded up the top 5 best torque wrenches that combine accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Discover the perfect tool to elevate your performance and make every turn count. Number 1. EPAuto 1/2 inch Drive Torque Wrench. The EPAuto 1/2 inch drive torque wrench is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic. Built with a durable ratchet head crafted from hardened chrome vanadium steel alloy, CRV, it offers exceptional strength and long-term reliability. The satin finish not only adds a sleek touch but also makes the wrench corrosion-resistant, enhancing its lifespan. Manufactured in Taiwan, this tool exemplifies quality craftsmanship. Its knurled handle provides a firm, non-slip grip, allowing better control during use. The high-contrast, dual-range scale is easy to read, making torque adjustments simple and precise. Pre-calibrated to plus or minus 4% accuracy, this torque wrench ensures dependable performance with every use. A satisfying click sound signals when the preset torque is reached, helping prevent over-tightening. Just stop turning when you hear and feel it. For added convenience, the wrench comes with a 5-inch extension bar and a sturdy plastic case for safe storage and portability. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, bike maintenance, or assembling machinery, the EPAuto torque wrench is a reliable, user-friendly tool that guarantees precision and peace of mind. Number 2. Lexivon 1/2 inch Drive Click Torque Wrench. The Lexivon 1/2 inch Drive Click Torque Wrench delivers exceptional precision and durability for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Manufactured in Taiwan, it is pre-calibrated to an impressive plus or minus 4% accuracy and comes with a calibration certificate featuring a trackable serial number, ensuring trustworthy, traceable performance. Crafted with a reinforced ratchet gear head made from hardened, heat-treated chrome vanadium alloy steel, this tool is built for long-term, heavy-duty use. Its exclusive electro-black finish adds superior rust and corrosion resistance, extending the tool's lifespan and maintaining its professional look. The wrench features a patent-pending dual-range scale with high-contrast yellow-on-black markings, offering unmatched visibility, even in dimly lit workspaces. Adjusting and reading torque levels has never been easier. Comfort meets functionality with a reversible ratchet head that operates in both directions while measuring torque in the clockwise direction. The ergonomic knurled handle offers a secure, non-slip grip, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, machinery, or equipment maintenance, the Lexivon Click Torque Wrench combines precision, performance, and comfort in one robust, reliable tool. Number 3. Craftsman 1/2 Drive Torque Wrench. The Craftsman 1/2 Drive Torque Wrench is a dependable tool designed for precision and ease of use in demanding automotive and mechanical tasks. With a torque range of 50 to 250 foot-pounds, 68 to 339 Newton-meters, it provides the versatility needed for everything from routine vehicle maintenance to heavy-duty equipment adjustments. This torque wrench features a bimaterial handle, offering enhanced comfort and grip, reducing strain during prolonged use. The locking mechanism allows for quick and easy torque adjustments, making operation smooth and hassle-free. For added convenience, scales are stamped directly into the housing in both inch-pounds and Newton-meters, allowing for quick identification of torque settings. The Craftsman 1/2 Drive Torque Wrench comes with a durable storage case, making it easy to transport or store safely when not in use. Built to high standards, it meets or exceeds ASME specifications, ensuring accuracy, safety, and reliability. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a dedicated DIYer, this torque wrench delivers strength, comfort, and confidence for your torque-setting tasks, all backed by the trusted Craftsman name. Number 4. Suzume 3PC's Torque Wrench Set. The Suzume 3PC's Torque Wrench Set is a premium toolkit designed for precision, durability, and user comfort. Made from CRV steel and finished with chrome plating, these wrenches offer excellent corrosion and wear resistance while sporting a sleek, mirror-like finish. The lightweight aluminum alloy handle reduces fatigue, making operation smoother and easier. This set includes 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 drive torque wrenches, each rigorously tested for over 10,000 uses and maintaining an impressive ±3% accuracy. A bidirectional ratchet head provides versatile functionality, and a loud click sound with vibration notifies you precisely when the preset torque is reached, preventing over-tightening and protecting both your tools and fasteners. Each wrench features laser-engraved dual scales, making torque settings easy to read and long-lasting, even with frequent use. Perfect for automotive, motorcycle, and bicycle repairs, this set is an ideal gift for anyone who loves mechanical work. Backed by Suzume's responsive customer service, this torque wrench set isn't just a tool, it's a reliable companion for tackling any task with confidence and precision. Number 5. EPAuto Wrench Set. The EPAuto Wrench Set is a comprehensive 8-in-1 toolkit designed for versatility, precision, and durability. It includes 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 drive torque wrenches, along with 5 essential adapters, 3 extension bars, 4, 5, 6, a 3/8 universal joint, and a 1/2 to 3/8 adapter, all neatly packed in a sturdy plastic case for easy storage and portability. Engineered for high precision, each wrench features a dual range scale and micro-adjustment increments. Pre-calibrated to within ±3% accuracy, the set includes a calibration certificate, ensuring dependable performance across all applications. The torque wrenches deliver a loud click when the preset torque is reached, clear and strong above 5 Nm, and subtle but noticeable below that, providing safe, accurate torque control. The 72-tooth reversible ratchet head allows operation in both directions, while a quick-release button ensures easy attachment changes. Built for endurance, the ratchet heads are crafted from hardened CRMO steel, and the handles from aerospace-grade aluminum, offering superior strength and corrosion resistance. Ideal for bikes, motorcycles, cars, and electrical tasks, the EPA set comes with 12 months of customer support for added peace of mind.